Hey there. Struggling with your TP-Link router and finding only one administrator allowed? This week I've got a detailed guide on how to fix TP-Link router issues when only one administrator is allowed. If you've ever faced this problem, you know how frustrating it can be. Whether you're trying to add another admin or just manage settings more flexibly, I've got you covered. Follow these steps to regain control over your router in no time. Step 1. Understand the limitation. First, it's important to understand why TP-Link routers only allow one administrator at a time. For security reasons, TP-Link limits administrative access to ensure that only one session is active. This prevents unauthorized changes that could compromise your network. Before attempting to add another administrator, make sure this change aligns with your security. Step 2. Log into the router. Begin by logging into your TP-Link router. Open a web browser and type tplinkwifi.net or your router-specific IP address into the address bar. Enter the current admin username and password. If you've never changed these details, the default login credentials are typically both admin. Once you're in, you'll have access to the settings. Step 3. Check for firmware updates. It's always a good idea to check for firmware updates that might resolve this issue or improve your router's overall functionality. Navigate to the Advanced tab and find Firmware Update or System Tools in the menu. Compare your current firmware version with the latest available from TP-Link's official website. If a newer version exists, download and install it following the on-screen instructions. Step 4. Set up a guest network. If your goal is to allow someone else to access the router without giving them full admin rights, consider setting up a guest network. Go to the Guest Network tab and create a new network. This lets others connect without affecting your main network settings. Step 5. Create user accounts. Some advanced TP-Link models offer options to create multiple user accounts with different levels of access. Head to the System Tools and then User Account Settings. Here you can add users and assign specific roles or permissions. If your model supports this, it's a great way to manage multiple administrators inclusively. Step 6. Disconnect unnecessary devices. Having too many devices connected can cause network congestion, making it seem like you can't have more than one admin. Ensure to disconnect or limit devices that don't need constant internet access, which might improve your situation. Step 7. Connect TP-Link support. If none of the above solutions resolve the issue or your router model doesn't support these features, don't hesitate to contact TP-Link's customer support. They can provide specific solutions or suggest upgrades compatible with multiple administrators. Fixing issues with your TP-Link router when only one administrator is allowed doesn't have to be daunting. By understanding the limitations, keeping firmware up to date, and employing smart strategies like setting up guest networks or adding users on supported models, you can regain control over your router. Remember, each router model might have its quirks, so always consult your user manual or TP-Link support for specific guidance. With these steps, managing your network should become a breeze. Happy browsing.